Louisville, Central.
Okay. I used to live next door in Virginia, so I
Okay.
have family in Illinois, so back and forth.
All right.
Like the old time.
I lived in Virginia for a while.
Really pretty drive. I always enjoy it.
Now, how often do they have to pull those turbines apart and do maintenance, or are they pretty? Cause I know.
We'll stop right here. They get an annual inspection. Relatively cursory, kind of, it's good for another year kind of thing. Pardon me. On a 7-year cycle, they get much more intrusive inspection. That's when really major overhauls are necessary. They'll get slated to do that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. When you look down there, you might have noticed if you counted, I say there's 8 generators, you only see 7. That's because the top of one of them is missing, because they're still putting it back together because they just replaced the turbine on one of them.
Okay.
So usually there's some work going on one of them at any given time.
Now, do you utilize like an in-house maintenance?
Everybody on staff right here, yeah.
Because it's not something that you take to your local generator shop.
We got them on staff, whatever we need right in here, yeah. Come on in, guys, into this elevator.